In this demo, we will see how to use Google Cloud Translation API to localize screens in Descope flows. We have configured a Google Cloud Translation connector already in the system using the service account JSON and the project ID, which you can obtain from your Google Cloud settings. After configuring the connector, you can localize either an existing flow or a new flow. Let's take a look at this existing flow. Go to Settings and enable localization right here. You can choose the source language, which in this case is English, and then the target languages which are available right here. You can choose any languages from the available languages here to decide which languages do you want to localize your flows in. Let's leave these languages as is. Once you have saved the flow, this flow is ready and localized already and can now be embedded into your application to show localized screens. So that's how easy is it to localize. Let's see this live in an application. To choose the locale for your flow, you can either provide a locale parameter in the flow, which can be dynamically determined from the browser or any other mechanism you would want, or you can choose to not provide the locale here at all. And in that case, the locale will be determined from the user's browser. To demonstrate, this is our application, and we're going to set a different locale in the browser settings here. I'm going to turn off the Google Translate so that we can see how Descope is delivering the right locale to the browser. And in this case, I have Hindi as the default language. So we're going to go ahead, refresh this page, go to the login page, and as you can see, the flow has been translated to Hindi language. Let's try to switch this to a different locale. Let's use Chinese. Add. Let's move this to the top. And you see that we have localized the flow to Chinese, and rest of the page is not translated. To summarize, Google Translation API connector can be enabled very simply by adding the right parameters. After that, you go ahead and turn on localization in the flows you care, and then all your flows will be localized in the language, and the locale can be chosen either based on the browser setting or by providing it as a parameter in the flow. Thank you.